Sicily lovers, and welcome to this video. Today is Easter and we celebrate in a special way. I'm in Prizzi, a small town in the province of Palermo. It's about 1,000 meters above the sea level, and they celebrate Easter in a special way. Today I'm not with Gianca, but I found, I'm very lucky today because I found an English-speaking boy from Texas. He has an origin here. I'm very glad to introduce you to Dave.
Yes, thank you.
Nice to meet you, Dave.
Great to meet you. Thank you for loving Sicily as much as I do.
So, tell me, please, something about this particular festival that we are going to enjoy today here during the Easter day.
Yeah, so today is the Dance of the Devils, or U Ballo di Diavoli, and this festival is at least over 1,000 years old. And so basically it is very, very unique because the devils and death dance around the town from 6 a.m. to midnight. The centerpiece is called the Incontro. There are 7 Incontros in the Ballo di Diavoli, where Jesus and Mary, after Jesus' resurrection, are trying to see each other, and death and the devils are trying to prevent Jesus and Mary from seeing each other. But Jesus forces death and devils to submit to him and bow down, and then archangels come in and cut the heads off of the devils, and Jesus wins.
So the good wins
over the evil, yes.
The evil. So it's a fight between the good and the evil.
Yeah,
and,
yeah.
It's an ancient ritual from the medieval time, right?
Exactly, and you know, some of the roots may even be in either the Byzantine Christian tradition or even in the ancient Greek tradition, when they had statues come to meet each other, and 2,500 years ago. But this is, it's very special because only this little town of 4,000 people celebrates U Ballo di Diavoli.
And it's very folkloristic, to see. They wear red cloth for the devils, and the dead wear a yellow dress, right?
Yes, yes. And this is the other thing that's interesting about death here is everywhere else death has a scythe, but here death carries a crossbow. They call it la balestra, a crossbow. So death chooses who he is going to pick, and then the devils will take that person to hell, where they have to pay to get out of hell, and then they're given a treat for paying to get out of hell.
Dear Sicily lovers, I can't wait to experience this event here in Prizzi, to dance with devils. And if you like this video, please thumb it up and share with your friends. Now, let's enjoy the party.
Oh yeah.
Musica! Dai!
Dear Sicily lovers, it was an amazing experience, a great event. And if you liked this video, please thumb it up, share with your friends and subscribe our channel. Happy Easter again from Sicily. Love, hugs and kisses from Sicily. God bless you. Ciao!